Hello guys, today I'll show you a live web research project I assigned from one of my clients. So I will go through this work and I will show you how you have to do it. And this is basically a web research project. I have to find some information from online. If you have idea about SEO, then you will understand this works because client needs some information. Write a space. So this is basically for SEO. If you know guest post, so we'll pitch this website and we'll send them mail for blog post. So this is the work actually. So for this task I have to find the opportunity, guest post opportunity. So make sure watch this video until the end. This video for actually new freelancer, and I actually made video for new freelancer who actually don't know the work. So I trying to make the video live and I working. So if you guys have some idea, and see, this is the thought letter I have to research. So Priti Sharma, so I already have done this research previous month, that's why this mark is green, and I will do for Angela White for this month. So I'll copy this and go Google and search here. So see what actually in the search box. Angela White edit tech enthusiast plus write for us. So I need actually write for a space, right? So this is the Google search terms client provide me. So I will go through the website and link, and I will search if there have any opportunity to do the writer's page. We can write for there's blog. So that's what we need. So I'll go every website and search if there are any writer's page. Okay, so this is the website. You see bottom and the top, if anywhere have the writer's page, they will basically one page they told writer for us. So there is no any writer's page, I guess. So what we will do for make sure there have no writer's page, so we'll go again Google and search site semicolon. So we'll copy the website name, domain name, okay, and paste it here, and we'll search right for us, okay, for us. So if they are in this website, newbreadmarketing.com, if in this website have any page right for us, so if we search like this, then we'll find this page easily. So just enter what is guest blogging and why it's important. So I guess there is no here, so I'll change this guest post. Okay, see if we got any page guest post. So I guess there have no any words to search. Yeah, I will search now, so this will be easy. Guest post guidelines. Okay, editorial guidelines. So if you search this keywords in Google like this, then if there have any page related guest post or editorial guidelines, then you can find. So here you see I search pretty 4-5 keywords, there is no any page like this, so we'll skip this website, go for another. this is taxceiling.com. so see if we find the right page. So no right page. You go again, right, copy this website domain, okay, and pick some keyword. Basically this is actually very popular, so this right for us page we need actually contribute all for Femtech. So guys, if you have idea about researching, you can earn pretty good money from online. So this work actually basically I am earning $5 per hour from my client, and if you are new you can earn $5, $4 per hour. So there is no any right for us page, so we'll see guest post. If have just search like this, okay, so here we got this page, guest contributors registration page. So that's what actually we need, okay. Here we see what the admin told. Thanks for reading this article. If you are new here, you subscribe there, so create a customer. So this is the page actually we need, where we can contribute or can write guest post for this website. So I'll copy this website, right, and I will copy the website domain name, okay, and we will here, okay, this is the website name. Okay, we'll go for next one, right. So this actually have research, so we'll go for this online community inside by Vanilla Forums. So what your work actually, if you assign for such work, so you have to find some guest post opportunity. That's what actually the work. So I am searching, so right, if I find any. Okay, just copy this website domain and search here. So see if any keywords are matching for right for us page. So you see the bottom here, this is actually Google Ads, but we need actually the organic page, right, for us. Such we are searching vanillaforums.com, so we want basically this page from this website, search website, not Google Ads. So this is look like same the ads, right, for submit your guest post to us. So this page we are looking. So when we find such page, we'll collect and collect here and paste here, and we'll keep searching and keep finding until meet client criteria. Client need for this company 20 website, and here we see I got 7 company, so I have to find around 150 website for 7 company, such company. So every company have different you see different thought leaders and different website. So here you see every company have different category. So this is the work and I am doing. So if you are new, then this video for you can learn something. So see how how I am actually working. So this website I guess don't have any page we are looking, so we go for next website. Okay, so this is the website, and here we see what actually we was looking and right for us. So this page we need, and we have to copy this URL, right? So just copy this website URL and paste it here. Okay, and okay, go for next website. The minutes, so this is your connection is not private. I guess something wrong with my connection, so skip this website, go for another. Top 10 online care merits. Okay, here we see just we got this website right for us. Click here and see the page what actually they are talking about. Okay, so copy this URL and paste it here, and copy the domain name and keep this uppercase. See career merits. Okay, go for next website. ED News Daily. Okay, see if we find any opportunity, guest post opportunity, blog, about us. So we try to go about us page if there have any opportunity. No, advertise, homepage. So this is the work basically you have to do for such work. You have to find some specific things what actually client need. This is the web research as well, and this is very easy work. If you have some skill, like you can run computer, then you can find such work from Upwork and from Fiverr and people per hour. I work for 3 freelancing website, Upwork, Fiverr and people per hour, but my Upwork account have suspended. I don't know why, but I got some client from Upwork, so I am working for them. Okay, so we are searching like this. If any website we cannot find, so this is the very easy way to find. Here you see, just I search right for us and I got this page. Here we see I searching here, there is no any page like this right for us. So when I search in Google like this site.eddaily.com right for us, so Google showing me this page. So this is very easy. We need this page basically. Here is right for us. Okay, just copy and give them uppercase. Okay, the news Delhi. So guys, this is the work I actually show you how you have to do. So if I make this video long, then it won't be helpful for you. I don't want to waste your time. So this is a pretty large work. This will take 5 to 7 hours for done this task, so I don't want to make this video so long. So I just show you the way how can you do such work and how can you earn some money. So if you find anything helpful, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to get new video. So thanks for watching guys.